Primacy, I notice some people have difficulty installing the program, so I'm going to show you step by step. Now let's see you receive this message, which is a normal message I sent, and you see there's this link here, FreeShow via resources.com.my. I'm going to click on this, follow the instructions. So you'll see this instruction page here, where if you're running from Windows computer, it will show the Windows. And if you are running from a Mac, it will show the different instructions for Mac. You will just click here and you install the program. Okay, the FreeShow program. I will not show this, but once you have already installed the FreeShow program, after installing the FreeShow program, this FreeShow program will run and you will see something like this. Now I am going to quit this FreeShow program using File, Menu, and Quit. And now I want to show you there are two types of zip files to download depending on what you need. If your congregation have foreigners who cannot read Nepali script, or you're in Europe or America, New Zealand, or some countries like this, or even Kathmandu, where you got foreigners attending your church, then you may want this one so that the foreigners can sing along because they cannot read Nepali script. However, if yours is completely Nepali congregation, no foreigners, you may want the Win Nepali. Some people requested for this one. They don't want this one. Okay? So the Nepali font is a bit bigger and there's no romanized. Okay? So let's say I'm going to do this WinNep romanized. This is with Nepalese romanized. Okay, I'm going to click on this zip file. Okay, so I'm going to save this one at the downloads, my downloads folder. Now, once it is downloaded, you'll see there's WinNet romanized.zip here. You go to the rightmost here. The icon is for open. I'm going to open it. Now, once it's open, this is what's the contents of this WinNet romanized. I'm going to right-click on this window. I will select Extract All in the right-click menu. And here you type C:/FreeShow. Okay, like this, and you do extract. So if it is has not been created, as in my case, there's no C FreeShow, it will create the folder, and also now you see all the files are already extracted into C:/FreeShow. After extracting, you run FreeShow again. I have my FreeShow icon. I run it. FreeShow will take a short time to start up. I see nothing in my slides or songs. Now, I need to go to this icon for settings. This gearbox icon here at the top right. I click on it and I have to click on Files category. I click on Files category. The data location is here. My documents are stored in this. The default folder when installing FreeShow program will always be the FreeShow subfolder under Documents folder. In my case, I have made my Documents folder as E:/docs, but yours will be a different folder. Don't worry, each one will have a different location because your username is used there. So you have to click on this thing. You want to now change the data location to C:/FreeShow. You have to change this thing to C:/FreeShow. and I press enter. Okay, and then I put select folder. I click this. Now you see that the data location has been changed to C:/FreeShow. Click this one. I go to the show here. And you will see that you have all as in the tutorial how to use it. I've made one. At shows, you'll see there are 25 slides and 1,775 songs. And you have also scripture. If I go to scripture category, I have NNRV and NKJV, NIV, NKJV, NNRV, and also TBS. You should have all this, so you have now the FreeShow is all set up properly already. Now you follow my tutorial to use it. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye.